All right, so I'm talking with Emerrias, my guest on the latest episode of the Make Money Making Videos podcast, and we're talking about the kind of day-to-day of him as a full-time video creator. He creates full video content for a pretty big kind of influencer called Apartment Rockstar, who's just like a big apartment developer essentially in Texas. And I'm basically just talking to him about what his day-to-day is and sharing some thoughts of my own. Full podcast link down below, as you've probably heard me say in every single clip that I've actually uploaded of this particular, series. Without further ado, let's get into it. Welcome back to the Make Money Making Videos podcast. So are you with that? You're fully signed on as a full-time employee with them now. So you're Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday, like 9 to 5, full blown. Legendary.
Pretty much, you know. It's all results.
Day-to-day? What's your day-to-day look like? Like that's so interesting to me, bro. Because you basically just become like a D-Rock. It's fucking amazing. You know what I mean? For another person, it's very cool to me, man. So like, what's your day-to-day look like for that?
Yeah. So only actually like 1 day a week or maybe like 2 days a week max. I'm doing a D-Rock life, you know.
Cool.
Because because we're releasing one video a week.
Yep.
Right now, maybe in the future go more, but besides that, it's honestly since I just started, there's not much. How do you say? There's not really a schedule for me yet. Yeah. I'm just doing what I feel right, because like yesterday I was because Apartment Rockstar, he owns like 19 properties around the area. Yep. Apartment complexes. So I was driving around all those. I hit like half of them yesterday, and I was asking them what's the biggest problem the residents have that live there, and what's the biggest problem that prospects have that want to move in there, but they're like, I don't want to move in here because of this. And then I want to create content to combat that,
Cool.
Or in our marketing videos, stuff like that.
Cool.
So
you've been
I'm really just taking initiative.
Awesome. Hell yeah, I love it. So you're just helping out with kind of all things technical almost, right?
Yeah. Everything creative, And I kind of see it kind of like as they're my client, Like I'm kind of like I kind of feel like a little ItsJackCole, here and there. I'm like, they're my client, I'm kind of like, This is my project, Like
100%.
I got to do it,
Yeah, totally. So I don't know. Could you see yourself getting multiple people like this in the future if this kind of rolled on to maybe getting kind of more people that you were doing it like? Because that's sort of the freelance side, isn't it? Right? It's like it's a blurry line between kind of getting like a full-time gig and then doing like the freelance thing. But I think for anybody who can get something like that, I mean, that's fucking awesome. I've had so many
stability.
Exactly. Yeah. It's a consistent client. It's like, it's 9 to 5 for you, but that's just a consistent client right there at the end of the day.
Yeah.
And I think that right there is how you that's how you make a consistent income that you can actually kind of rely on at the end of the day. Because I think that's